The drone world is buzzing once again, and this time, all eyes are on DJI. That's right, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is reportedly just around the corner, and the leaks are coming in fast. From a brand new 1-inch sensor, to longer flight times, possible LiDAR obstacle detection, and even a rumored price tag under $1,000, this could be the upgrade creators have been waiting for. But is it really the next big leap, or just another small refresh with a fancy name? In today's video, we're breaking down every major leak, rumor, and insider report about the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro, including the specs, design changes, expected release window, and what these upgrades actually mean for filmmakers, travelers, and everyday drone enthusiasts. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. So, grab your controller and let's get airborne, because we're about to find out whether the Mini 5 Pro is truly the future of ultralight drones, or just a minor mid-cycle update. We'll go over the confirmed leaks, discuss the realistic expectations, and compare it to the Mini 4 Pro and other competitors in the sub-250G category, plus, what DJI might be planning for its big 2025 reveal. If you're excited about what DJI might unveil next, hit that like button, subscribe for all the latest drone updates, and let's dive straight into what could be DJI's biggest mini yet. The drone world is buzzing again. Rumors, filings, prototypes, they've all converged around one name in recent weeks, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. For hobbyists, content creators, travel vloggers, and casual pilots alike, the central question is the Mini 5 Pro the upgrade we've been waiting for? Or is it just another refresh of the sub-250G drone cycle, dressed in new colors and buzzwords? With the next month or so looking likely for a launch, the leaked specifications and reported pricing warrant a close look. In this video, we'll explore what we know so far, assess the reliability of the information, examine what it means in practice, and ask whether the Mini 5 Pro might deliver something genuinely new and valuable. To grasp the importance of the Mini 5 Pro, it helps to rewind and look at its predecessor. The original mini drones made waves thanks to their ultralight weight, around 249 g or below, ease of use, and the ability to fly with fewer regulatory hurdles in many countries. They offered great portability, DJI's familiar flight ecosystem, and solid video/photography features in a compact body. But as drone technology evolves, so do expectations. Today's creators want more: longer flight times, smarter sensors, bigger cameras, better tracking, simplified workflows, and of course reliability. Competitors in the under 250G class are closing in fast. In that context, the Mini 5 Pro becomes more than just another Mini. It could represent a strategic push by DJI to keep the Mini line relevant in the 2025 era aerial content creation market. The leaked specifications, what we know, and what remains uncertain. Over the past several months, a range of sources, drone news sites, FCC filings, unboxing video glimpses, have surfaced what are claimed to be near-final specifications for the Mini 5 Pro. While none of this is yet officially confirmed by DJI, the consistency across leaks suggests we may be looking at a credible roadmap. According to one leak, a 1-inch sensor or significant sensor